Magandang hapon po ng March 17, 2024 Sunday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 17, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, March 17, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for March 17, 2024, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 57.5 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimates is 49.5 million pesos for March 17, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for March 17, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.